Hi, one of your classmates asked me to do this problem in the homework. I think it's number 8. I'll mark it when I save it and put it in Canvas. For this one, it's a binomial distribution. So the first thing I always identify is n, how many trials, and that's 6. The 2 outcomes is that they use their smartphones in meetings or classes would be a success. Failure would be they do not. P is a probability that they use their smartphones in class, and that'd be 0.47. And the last thing we're going to do is find x. X is at least 3, so at least 3 is 3 all the way up to n, which is 6. Okay, so let me put my calculator here. Okay, so I use a binom PDF key because I think that's just easier. There is a binom CDF key, you can use that as well. So you go to second, distribution, and then arrow up or down to binom PDF. Again, you could also use CDF. There's a different way to do it. And we will put in n first. N is how many people we have. 6, that's the number of trials. P, so it ends right there. P is a probability of success, which is 0.47. And then x is at least 3, so that'll be 3 all the way up to 6. And to do this with a calculator, you have to put brackets in. So the brackets are right above the parentheses, so I have to hit second, the left bracket, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do need commas in between them. The commas are located right here above the 7. And I do want to close that. There we go. Okay. Then I'm going to paste it. When I hit enter, what's going to happen is this is a probably 3. Right here is a probably 4. You know, you have all the probabilities there. So you can either write those down and add them up, but a much easier way is to use your sum answer key. So I thought I'd show you that. The way you find your sum key to add up all those probabilities, you go under second, stat, and then you want to arrow over to math. And there's your sum key, it's number 5. Okay, so what this is doing is adding up. And now I want to add up these last answers. The answer key is right down here by the negative sign, so I'm going to hit second and negative. And that will give me those probabilities. It'll add up all those probabilities. So that's my answer right there, 0.598. So again, I use a binom PDF key. I know there's also another way to use binom CDF. So if you go to the Turing Center or you look up on YouTube, there's another way to do it. This is just how I prefer to do it. To use binom PDF, which stands for binomial probability density function. The other one is CDF, which is cumulative density function.